Shaking in your boots. Understanding fear and nervousness in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English expression, shaking in one's boots. This phrase captures a feeling we've all experienced at some point in our lives. So, let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Shaking in one's boots is a vivid expression used to describe feeling extremely scared or nervous. Imagine wearing boots and being so frightened that you can't control your shaking. That's the picture this idiom paints. It's often used in situations where someone is facing a daunting challenge, a scary individual, or an uncertain outcome. This phrase is believed to have military origins, dating back to times when soldiers would literally shake in their boots at the thought of going into battle. Over time, it's become a common way to express fear or anxiety in various situations, not just those related to physical danger. Now, let's see how you can incorporate shaking in one's boots into your English. Before the final exam, I was shaking in my boots. Feeling nervous about a big test. The thought of speaking in public had him shaking in his boots. Being scared of public speaking. She's so intimidating. Everyone's shaking in their boots when she's around. Feeling intimidated by someone's presence. English is rich with idioms that convey fear or nervousness. Here are a few similar expressions. Cold feet, getting nervous or hesitant before a big event. Butterflies in one's stomach, feeling anxious or nervous, especially before an important event. Scared stiff, being so scared that you can't move. Understanding idioms like shaking in one's boots can add color and depth to your English conversations, allowing you to express emotions in a more vivid and relatable way. We hope this video has demystified this expression for you and perhaps even encouraged you to use it next time you're feeling a bit nervous. Remember, it's completely normal to feel like you're shaking in your boots sometimes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.